Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today's reading is about no contact for Aries. So let's see what are the messages coming in for you. I have already shuffled the cards and let's see the messages. This is a general reading, guys. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So the current energy between you and your person is about focusing on your own individual growth. Okay, I think since there is no contact happening, no communication happening, so you both are taking your time off to focus on your growth. It can be financial growth, it can be your your time to take the clarity on what you want in the relation and what is exact thing you want and how the things you want to come out. Okay, so you are taking some time out uh, to get the clarity on what you want. Okay, that's the energy for both of you I'm feeling. It can also be like one of you may be feeling to move out given the situation is not turning out how they expected it. So that is also the energy I'm feeling. Okay, now let's see what are the thoughts of your person for you, Aries. So the person always had a thought of having a happy family with you. Maybe you guys had a very good connection at an emotional level. You guys connected at a very good level and you both would have good plans of having a family together. So that kind of thoughts the person is still having in their mind for you and with you. But as I said, you both are, since there's no communication happening, so it's just running in their mind. Okay, now let's see what this person feel for you, my dear Aries. Okay, so I think there is something which would have happened between you both and they feel hurt. They really feel hurt by, they may be, they might have felt betrayed, they might have felt cheated on, and that's causing so much of pain at an emotional level. Okay, and that is what they're feeling, they are going through basically, and somehow that is also the reason that they are not reaching out to you. Okay, so yeah, let's see why are they silent, what happened and they are not reaching out. Okay, so I think as I said here, right, for some of you it can also be a moving on situation. So yeah, that is what I see here also. So maybe they are also looking at another options. They can also be, there is also a chance that they are checking out your social media, checking on an update on you, where are you, where what's happening with you and all that. That is also a chance. And at the same time I'm also seeing they are maybe exploring some more options, looking for more opportunities. And yep, and also they do not want to dwell on the past is what I see. Okay, but yeah, they are, it's like they are stuck and they want to move on, but they are not moving on, they are not coming back. Okay, so much is happening basically at an emotional and a mental level, okay, to them. Now what's blocking this connection? Okay, so I think there is no communication and there is misunderstanding between you both, which is kind of blocking this connection. So you are not able to explain your point and they are not able to explain theirs, and which is causing this delay in communication because there is something which they expect for a particular situation to come out, but it did not work that way, it did not come out that way, and that would have caused misunderstanding between you both, and that is why the things are just turning out like that. So that's what I feel, because of no communication, no clarity, and you're not able to express yourself properly given there is no communication. So this is kind of blocking this connection. So I think if you are planning to have a move, which we will see in the next card, if you're planning to reach out, so I would say it's always better to express your emotions clearly and explain things in a proper way, and then let's see what happens. Okay, now let's see what is their next move, if any, by next week. Okay, so I think there is so much a lack of emotional connection, even if the person is with you or maybe physically is with you, but emotionally you're not able to connect with the person because there is emotional gap. There may be finance also coming in between. the issue. Okay, that is also one of the reason. But you are being cold, like it's like either you or your person is being cold and not expressing and keeping the things to themselves, or you are keeping the things to yourself. That is what is causing this issue of no communication and not getting the clarity on what is happening. And I don't really see a positive move happening, and they are closed off, you are closed off, and that is what is happening. And I don't really see a move. They may not, or you may not reach out, but if that is happening, if somehow they reach out, there can be so much of this thing of not expressing what is actually troubling you both. Okay, so there may be some finance issue also, as I said. So that's what I said. What is the advice for you, my Aries? Let's see what is the advice for you. Okay, so advice for you is here to don't run around the bushes. Okay, just be clear on what you want and focus on your growth. Okay, focus on your growth instead of dwelling on the past. See, if it has been such a long time that this is bothering you, so you need to focus on your growth and see how you can bring positivity in your life. You need to heal yourself first, and just see, it's a rising star. You need to rise. Okay, you just cannot keep sitting in one place, cry over the spilt milk, right? You need to move on and grow in your life. Okay, so that's the energy, that's the advice for you, my Aries. Okay, see you in the next reading. Bye bye.